Hello! So today, we are now in the studio unit with balcony of Uptown Arts Residence. So upon entering, keycard access na yung unit natin mismo. And unang bubungan sa atin, pagpasok, will be our kitchen area. So our kitchen area, lagyan na dito, we have complete kitchen set na. So cooktop, range hood, and even top and under kitchen cabinet. And the good thing with Uptown Arts Residence, so we have a two-door refrigerator. Also, while on this side naman will be our kitchen, toilet and bath. So sa toilet and bath, we will have a complete sanitary fittings upon turnover. And on top of that, in this side will be our spacious living area. And the good thing here dito is meron na tayong kasamang modular closet with full glass na siya. Of course, we have access on the balcony on this side man. So this will be our view once we acquire this type of unit. And upon turnover, studio unit will have a one split type inverter aircon. So for those interested, you can contact me on my details below so that I can assist you with your property and investment. So this is Jerome Lazar from Megaward Corporation. So what you're waiting for? Inquire now.